We're gonna make the buns for our burger.
Ooh, we're making buns with the mushroom, and we're gonna make turkey burger. Okay.
Mushroom wrap burger.
Oh yes, yes, yes.
Okay, how do you want to put it?
I don't know.
What?
My camera looks so much better now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think you gotta put oil on the bottom first.
On this?
So yeah, it doesn't stick maybe. Yeah. And then we can use a towel, napkin, Kleenex to do it.
Yes, Mom.
Hey! Yeah, just gotta cut them off maybe.
Well, that's what most people do, right?
Yeah. Look inside the camera now, it looks like better, yeah?
Julie's personal chef for the day.
Yes, thank you. I know you cook.
To get on this weight loss journey, you know?
Yes, we do. I do. I'm gaining more weight.
Do you maybe want like an extra patty or something for later? Another day?
Maybe. I don't know. So kitchen timer. It's on. Yeah. Ooh.
Ooh, this looks good.
Oh yeah, it does.
We gotta put the salad on the plate. Oh, I'll put it on here. Maybe not that one. A little salsa.
What did you put inside?
Inside what?
The mushroom? Yeah.
A little bit of salt, some pepper, olive oil, a little bit of balsamic vinegar.
Okay.
And then I baked it for 10 minutes.
Looks delicious. Our lunch for today, we're trying to eat a turkey patty with mushroom on the bottom. Nice. And cheese.
Oh, you don't have a to-go plate though, yeah?
Right here. Ooh, is it good? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna taste mine. But I guess really sleeper next to you.
I don't taste the mushroom.
Oh, lucky. Nice, yeah.
I told you this kind of mushroom.
So you gotta eat it with fork, yeah? You cannot not eat it with fork.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so for my dish, we're gonna use these things and some lemon juice.
Want to see a magic trick? Yes! This cake.
No,
Okay, every time
which
that-
one did you get the shallot?
Did you guys get that? The shallots?
No, we got it.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
But I forgot what dish it was for.
Okay, you behave, okay? Come here.
Where's your spoon?
What?
This one.
Oh.
Making stuffed chicken now.
Oh, yay! That's chicken. That's some big chicken, man. There's my thing. I just put kind of like, I was trying to follow Dr. Oz, but ended up not because I put it some balsamic vinegar with some oil, olive oil, honey, and green onions. Your leg. Ciao, Olivia. And Olivia is helping us in the kitchen. Guarding making sure nobody step outside their square.
They got me.
Ah, you know, I have a little stuff for that.
Grace is cooking some chicken. I mean some bacon. I already was looking at the chicken.
That goes inside the chicken.
Nice. Chief chef right now. Yeah. You see how she looks?
She's helping me out.
She's like, nobody step out of that square. But get your feet.
Just use 1 cup, making my own.
Okay, we're gonna make our own now. What is that for? Stuffing for the chicken.
Stuffing for the chicken.
Oh, so they're making stuffed chicken. What you gonna do with the spaghetti, spinach?
I put it in here.
And then you're gonna saute?
No?
Or just
bake
stuff it?
Yeah.
Where's your thumb, Nabila?
She said, I don't have G-string. My mom
I see me
didn't-
floss.
I never make you one yet, Novea. Yeah, good girl. Include your eggs, stop that. You be nice, yeah?
I never tried this one before, but
Oh,
I'll try
is
it
the
today.
cream cheese?
I like their butter, so their
Oh,
cream cheese
yeah.
must be good
Must be
too.
good, yeah. One more, 2 of that going into there. Cream cheese.
How many people are you cooking for?
10 of them. Yeah. So this is prep for how many days, you think? Oh, 7 days. Oh, okay. That's why it's like that. Okay, try to do your stuff. Make our own now. What is that for? Stuffing for the chicken.
Stuffing for the chicken.
Oh, so they're making stuffed chicken. What you gonna do with the spaghetti, spinach?
I put it in here.
And then you're gonna saute?
No?
Or just
bake
stuff it?
Yeah.
Where's your thumb, Nabila?
She said, I don't have G-string. My
I
mom
see me
didn't-
floss.
I never make you one yet, Novea. Yeah, good girl. Include your eggs, stop that. You be nice, yeah?
I never tried this one before, but
Oh,
I'll
is
try
it
it
the
today.
cream cheese?
I like their butter, so their
Oh,
cream cheese
yeah.
must be good
Must be
too.
good, yeah. One more, 2 of that going into there. Cream cheese.
How many people are you cooking for?
10 of them. Yeah. So this is prep for how many days, you think? Oh, 7 days. Oh, okay. That's why it's like that. Okay, try to do your stuff.
Sus. She like medium.
Oh, so you kind of like wrapped it like together,
I cut it,
and then you how did it?
and then I
stuff
stuffed it, and then I put the lemon juice mixture, and then I put the breading.
it? Oh, okay. You cut in between.
Mhm.
Oh, I see. I see. Oh, nice.
Well, there's I don't know. Oh, that one's hot, yeah.
Yeah. Anyone? No, I think it's not hot anymore. It's a while ago.
They're gonna be like, oh, she don't know how to wear the oven mitt.
No, is it you can make 2 meals out of 1?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that's good, huh? Ooh, this is a good idea.